How are you doing? My name is Bashir Howe, and the film that I want to discuss is Peanut Butter Falcon. Uh, Peanut Butter Falcon was a great film about how two people who were nothing alike came together to become a dynamic duo and become a family and overcome everything that was in their way. Every obstacle that was in their way, they literally overcame. Zach had Down syndrome. Everybody treated him like trash, but when he met Tyler, Tyler treated him like he was a human being, and Zach wanted to become a famous wrestler. So Tyler agreed to help him go to the wrestling school that Zach always wanted to go to, and then they just hit it off, and that's how I'm gonna describe the film. The first scene I'll be talking about was when Zach bent the bars. This scene meant a lot to me because Zach showed us that you can do anything you put your mind to, no matter if you have a disability or not. You just have to believe in yourself. That is what matters the most. So like, Zach did not want to be in that nursing home so bad they finally like just got over it and bent the bars that they put on the window so he couldn't escape and got out of there. That means a lot to me because it's like I do a lot of complaining and I have it way better than Zach. Like I messed up so much this term because of what's going on in my life, but I ain't have it as bad as him. So like if I just do whatever I put my mind to, anything is possible. Um, the second scene I'm talking about when Zach tried to swim, and like this stood out to me because Zach basically was treated like trash, like I said before. Like everybody at the nursing home, but the staff at the nursing home thought he was nothing. Only one person treated him like he was something at the nursing home. So when he met Tyler, Tyler treated him like he was a human being. Like even though the swimming scene might not seem so significant, Tyler told him you can swim. Even though Zach said he couldn't, Tyler told him he couldn't swim. Although he did fail in the beginning, but he did learn how to swim in the film. So that's just like I said, you would do anything you put your mind to. And Tyler treated Zach like he was a human, and like that just goes a long way. That's just him being a good friend, him being a good brother to Zach. Because I don't even think they were friends. Like I feel like they were family. The way that Tyler treated him, the way that Zach loved him, like as time progressed in the movie, they were family. And the third scene I'm talking about is Zach Bates wrestling match. Like when that came on the TV, I shed tears because like this scene was very significant to me. Like I said, it made me shed a tear. It was nice to see Zach not give up and get what he wanted. That was send a message to all the disabled people around the world that you could do whatever you put your mind to. And the scene was also just sending to me because when the guy hit Tyler in the head, it's because like no matter what, like it's always going to be something that basically brings you down. So it's like you just like gotta try to yeah. It's like it's basically like Tyler was doing everything to get on the right path. Although he did some dirt, minor dirt, he was doing everything to get on the right path. But your past gonna always hunt you. And that's how I be feeling. Like no matter what, like I go to school, just something that always happen that brings me back, brings me down, and like messes me up. But the scene was like everything because like Zach really just got what he wanted, and like what he wanted was to be a wrestler, and he got to finally do that, and he won his match. The two films I would compare is Peanut Butter Falcon and Rain Man, and these two were alike in many ways. They both were basically an adventure movie. Zach and Tyler, um, they created that bond, and Charlie and Raymond, they both were adventure movies. Like they both went on adventures. Just them two for real. But I say they differ because in the beginning, Charlie just wanted to use Raymond to get the money that his dad had. That's all he wanted. But Tyler actually cared for Zach from the beginning to the end of the movie. Although in the beginning he didn't care, well he did care, but like as soon as they started their trip, he cared. It took Charlie a while because like all he wanted was the money. That's all what Charlie was in it for. So that's why they differ, but they're the same because like they're almost the same kind of movie. They're both on the Avengers. Yeah. This film, excuse me, I'm sorry. This film affected me in a positive way because like Zach literally was like amazing character. He did everything that he liked. Like nothing could get in his way. And I needed that like because this turn for me was like downhill, but like seeing Zach do that, like it put me in like it's time for me to like if he can do whatever he put his mind to, I could do whatever I put my mind to. It was basically like motivational. Like there's no way that nobody can see this in a positive way. Like I said, positivity. The way this film portrayed disability was very positive. It was literally the perfect underdog story. There's no way that anyone can say the story was negative. From beginning to the end of this movie, was shedding a positive light on the disabled. What made it even better was that Zach was played by Zach Sagan, who actually has Down syndrome. My conclusion: I want everybody to realize from this film is that you should not let anybody tell you what you can or cannot do. You literally can do anything you put your mind to. This film touched my heart because coming from where I come from, there's a lot of stuff that tries to make you go in the wrong direction. A lot of obstacles. Take this from me. You can do whatever you mind to, just like Zach did. Like coming from North Philadelphia, life is hard. Like it's a lot, but still, like this movie, like really, like it made me shed a tear because like it hit home because of so much I've been through. Like in my life, like I lost my best friend, and it's like I just shut down. I just like begin to like just not fell in life, but like just not care. But like watching this movie showed me like I could really do whatever I put my mind to. Although I already knew that, but it just like made me like, yeah, I can do whatever I put my mind to. So that's like since I seen this movie, like I've been trying to put everything in action, just get everything done because it's like Zach really like showed me a lot. Cause like he really did everything he put his mind to. He started to swim, started to hold his breath underwater for longer and longer periods of time. Everything. He even got his wrestling match and he won against an old professional wrestler. And he met his favorite wrestler. So like, yeah, that's my conclusion to sum this up. This was a great film. All the movies are great film, but this one touched my heart, so that's why I had to speak on this one. And my name is Bashir. I'm happy that I told you about Peanut Butter Falcon, and thank you.